Hi, and welcome to this new tutorial. Today you will learn how to use Folium Leaflet Map in a Python script. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to open your notebook. For this tutorial I'll be using Colab, but you can use it in your local machine with Jupyter Notebook. The first thing is to import the Folium, and Folium is an open source library that make easy the use of leaflet map. And leaflet is an open source library for interactive map built in JavaScript. So we'll execute it, and the Folium module is imported. Now we can just create the map just like this and show the map as simple as it is. Okay, so now you can see that the map is shown in the notebook. Okay, but here the map is showing the whole world. So if you need to focus in one location, you can do it by setting a parameter. I'll be trying to zoom in Paris. So I need to get the Paris coordinates. And to get coordinates of a town, you can look for it in Google Maps or in Google. And now, to be able to focus on Paris, we have to set the parameter location to our coordinates, which is Paris in this case. Rerun the codes, and now you see that we are focusing on Paris. If you need to zoom in or zoom out this location, you can do it by setting the parameter zoom start. And passing a value in zoom start, make sure to test some values to be sure that this is the zoom you want. And the value you will pass, if it is high, it will zoom in, and if it is low, it will zoom out. So for example, if we set it to 15, you'll see that it will zoom in a lot. See? And if we set it to 2, it will zoom out and we will be far from the location. Yeah, that's it. So for now, I'll set it to 10, which is the default value. Now imagine you need to put a marker here in Paris. To be able to do it, we have to create the marker using the function marker from Folium module. We have to give it a location. And we need to add it to our map. Let's check. Here we go. You see that the marker is added. Now, if you want to add a pop-up to this marker, you have to set the parameter pop-up in the marker function. Okay. Let's check. And now, when we click in Paris marker, there is a pop-up with Paris. Now, if you need to change, for example, the color of the marker, you can create a new icon, set the color, and then pass it to the marker as a parameter, and it will be shown the map as your marker. We have to create the icon using the icon function of Folium module. We have to set the color of the marker. In this case, it will be red. And we have to give it a type. For this example, I'll use a marker with no signs. And we have to set it as a parameter in the marker function. Let's check, rerun the code. And now you see that the marker is red. When we click, the pop-up is showing. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to get all our videos, and see you soon.